Locals submit memorandum to CEM over land encroachment issue. Hello viewers, good morning and welcome to Karbi Anglong Live Morning News. You're watching with Julie Baby with the latest news for this morning. Now the news in details. Locals of Tengkira Langso had on Thursday submitted memorandum to KAAC CEM Tuliram Ronghang, apprising him of the rising inter-district boundary issue in the Nogaon West Karbi Anglong border area. They had expressed their dismay over the violation of border agreement by the people of Nogaon. The team that reached out to the KAAC team to submit memorandum was led by leaders from Tengkira Langso area including Sarsing Hanse, Sondro Terang, Rupsing Ingti and Lipson Bay. On behalf of the CEM, their memorandum was received by MLA Dorsing Ronghang, KAAC Land Revenue EM Amar Singh Tiso and Deputy Speaker Rite Singh Hee. The team had vehemently demanded the immediate intervention of the KAAC on the prevailing tense situation in boundary areas under Dwaramla constituency. Meanwhile, on receiving news about the boundary violation by the people from Nogaon, Dongkamokam Circle Office sent a team of its officials to take stock of the situation in Tengkira Langso. The team of officials included LM Hukur Singh Terang, Mohan Singh Terang, SK Hon Singh Bay, Senior SK Mongol Singh Ronghang and others. Talking to media persons, the revenue officials confirmed that people of Nogaon had encroached land under Karbi Anglong. Taking the Assam Gazette of September 3, 1975 as the basis of boundary demarcation between the two districts, the people from Nogaon had entered more than 1 kilometer inside Karbi Anglong. The officials further stated that all the land in the border area, including the portions claimed by the people from Nogaon, has record of being under Karbi Anglong and land pata will be provided to the owners within very short time. All records of measurement and ownership are provided to KAAC EM Amar Singh Tiso for its early solution.
Tengkira Langso Nong 2 Revenue Village Law Hadak Kathar Rong Pudo Hadak Litum Aprang Assam Gazette Law Chepapas 1975 3rd September Law So Dhu Chepapas Ateng Pratangte Ilitum Assam Gazette Law Chepapas Ateng Pratangte Ilitum Anat Made Ilitum Along Lelongsi Alang Litum Nang Petchalo 1.5 kilometer on back
1.5 kilometer on lang tum nang par elo tang nang litum pin da ka homri ram pen tum da rong ra tum pen chingki than de kang ko pipilam thisi nang tum da rong ra than de kang
litum than kang lo je litum han council pen tum hair thuti tum alang litum nang toy teng se wang lo pulo litum da ka thega mong ko pima ke litum hair thuti han che submit ko long le pata bang litum already ke tok tang lo council submit hai lo so bang revenue em hatot sidolo bon nili sini teng panang de theli tum chugadam tang achiklo chugadam tang mane 3 months aprang lo ni tum ke tok tang hadi do we submit hai lo selang litum hatot sidolo alang litum rong ikpo
ta pin nang litum ka hamri dam ka komat mat lo nang litum
ni litum malong board dongka revenue circle settlement wing do revenue wing do settlement SM lapan SK Aro litum revenue nata LM lapan SK lo SK board do senior SK do lapan non at present SK lang lita do.
Locals have alleged that one person from Nogaon identified as Modon Suba is the main ring leader of the land encroachment under Karbi Anglong. Forest Department officials from Nogaon had often told people of Tengkira Langso that they had to pay visit to the area on receiving complaints from a certain person.
Sila Modon Suba wa munina bang alang si la forester tuma phanta ke hoidam ba ke handam la sonse mandet nilika matha teng teng
forester tum nang than
forester tum ta la sonse nili phan nang ke than lo je umat ne tum complain nang ke pisiri tum ke wang cho la sonse ki nang ke than tha te bang complain nang pia pot dili tum ta sakuri do pot wang nang kok lo je la sonse nang ke than tha.
Situation like this in time of cultivation are slowing down the farming activities of farmers. Thus, people here have urged the KAAC for early and permanent solution to the problem. The Chinthong Large Area Multi-Purpose Society on Thursday distributed rice to identified families of 6 villages under the various schemes. The distribution of rice was carried out with the sole aim of helping villages facing food crisis due to the ongoing lockdown, which has severely affected sources of employment and prices of essentials items across the country. The rice were distributed under the Pradhan Mantri Garib Kalyan Anna Yojana, Antyodaya Anna Yojana and priority households to families of 6 villages, which included Umchiken Polling Station, Rongmandu, Rongmirang, Langikso, Umlit and Khangmasi. Chinthong Lem Secretary Darsing Hanse told Karbi Anglong Live that rice were distributed to families for both May and June. In addition to this, the Lem Secretary stressed that rice were provided to all ration cards holders without any bias based on party affiliation, which is part of the commitment of BJP party, while rice to non-card holders were only given to BJP supporters' family. The rice distribution program was led by Umchiken Local Committee President Sarong Park and assisted by Secretary Darsing Hanse.
Ini nang tomapan kat kabia tomapan dak Chinthong Lem sa andar non la COVID-19 asisung pen nangapiyogi pu Modi Sarkar pen nangapale asan nasi pini nilitum Chinthong Lem pen Chairman Tadolo lapang ke local committee atum Tadolo athe nilitum kedamtang budbar Arni nilitum dak Chinthong Mondol committee atum pen tatirpi ponsi local committee ke doana tumhan hanglo nasi tum dak pekenglo nasi population wise lepi nang enutanin fokus ni tum pekenglo nasi pini ke chengsi Umchiken pi expensive pini chenglo
Kep majung mayang nil tum meeting dolo la sarni nil tum dak ilitum Chinthong Mosti mande mondol president apen chairman sa nil tum la kado ve local committee kado ve nil tum kado ve chingwai sar men nil tum la dak chingwai lo jetu ke dam tang la son si mane upuison dum kaneng jedu la son si neng lo je PM su la PMAYG mane urunudui pusame nil tum pilo la penil tum election apor ke thandam stame alang li tum bang kupilo neng je nil tum nang chu hang de ke nil nali tum nali ni hang sina pi nil tum ke nang chu hang de ke nil tum ni hang lin si yogi nil tum na chang dun le paruhum re la PMAY hem ta gali mate urunudui da gali nang tum nang ni hang sina pi ke pulo nil tum ta la salama putha bang nil tum mane high command du man ji thalo ang so man ji thalo mane ada bang homosi neng ji dan me Chinthong mosi bang ka neng ji do ko an masini nil tum bang la party high command du men chingwai lo pulo takte jasita sat chelang sena poya so nil tum party hui pen mane nil tum local committee that Umchiken local committee that polelo all Chinthong apar Chinthong war Chinthong so nil tum chingki rapsar kingwai rapsar si nil tum la bang so lamba ke nil tum chipe pass pondo
còn làm gì không bỏ ra gì long nó là sự năng đun rủi luồng cái đào bằng cái son cao cái đi tụm cái ave anh cái cua bang cái năng cái pon pe cái roi ta còn làm luônนี่ตัวบางสิ่งอันนั้นก็เห็นรู้สึกนี่ตัวนั้นจุดดูหนักลงเสียค่าสิ่งนี้ตัวนั้นจุดดู
นังในตุ่มก็ดักันเป็นเสียบางมันแต่
เรามันอยู่
แกงเป็นมาเก็บว่างการีเป็นหรอ
การีเป็นโลการีบาราตะปีจอกจินล่างก็สร้างตั้งน้องนี่ปุ๊บติกุปุ๊บ
การีบาราก่อนอีกหรอ
โอเคอาหารจีว่าก็พารุหรอ
พารุไปอีกดัดเป็นนังในตุ่มอิลินตะสร้างน้องมันแต่
อิลินตะลองสร้างน้องนี่โลกิเลสอนก้าวตาวิโลมาตีอันแกโดนสุดตาบางไอ้หลับจีบุกการตาไปบ้านกิจอยคุณน้องแม่นักกอกเลยเฮ
Harsing Longpar's report from Ulugunchi, Karbi Anglong Live. And that is all we have with us for this morning. Thank you for watching Karbi Anglong Live. Have a good day.